Hi friends, welcome to Prashant Competitive Hub YouTube channel. TET ఎగ్జామ్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఫర్ పేపర్ 1 అండ్ పేపర్ 2 సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ చేశాను. క్రింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాక ఈ వీడియో చూస్తే బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. చాలామంది టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్కు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే అభ్యర్థులు సిలబస్ లేని అంశాలు లేనివి ఎక్కువ చదువుతుంటారు. దానివల్ల ఎలాంటి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉండదు. ఫస్ట్ సిలబస్లో ఉన్న టాపిక్స్ని చదవాలి. అప్పుడు టెట్లో ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ చేయడానికి వీలవుతుంది. ఈ వీడియోని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తుంటే మన ఛానల్ని ముందుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫర్ మోర్ తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ నోటిఫికేషన్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు ప్రశాంత్ కాంపిటేటివ్ హబ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. టెట్ పేపర్ 1 సిలబస్ చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పెడగాగి మార్క్స్ 30 మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి టెట్ పేపర్ 1లో. డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ చైల్డ్, డెవలప్మెంట్, growth, maturation, concept and nature, principles of development and their educational implications, factors influencing development, biological and psychological and sociological, dimensions of development and their interrelationships, physical and motor, cognitive, emotional, social, moral, language relating to infancy, early childhood, late childhood, adolescence. Understanding development, Piaget, Kohlberg, Carl Rogers, Erikson. Individual differences, inter-individual differences in the areas of attitudes, aptitudes, interest, habits, thinking, divergent and convergent, intelligence and their assessment. Development of personality, concept, factors affecting development of personality, child rearing practices, self-concept, adjustment, behavioral problems, defense mechanisms, mental health, methods and approaches of child development. Introspection, observation, interview, case study, experimental, rating scales, anecdotal records, questionnaires, cross-sectional and longitudinal, developmental tasks and hazards. Second, understanding learning, concept, nature of learning, input, process, outcome, factors of learning, personal and environmental, approaches to learning, their applicability, behaviorism, Skinner's construction, Piaget, Vygotsky, and observationals. Dimensions of learning, cognitive, affective and performance, motivation and sustenance, its role in learning, memory and forgetting, transfer of learning, pedagogical concerns, teaching and its relationship with learning and learner, learners in context, situation learners in the socio-political and cultural context, children from diverse contexts, children with special needs, inclusive education, understanding of pedagogic methods, inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, survey, observation and activity-based learning, cooperative and collaborative learning, individual and group learning, issues and concern with respect to organizing learning in classroom like study habits, self-learning and learning to learn skills. Organizing learning in heterogeneous classroom groups, socio-economic background, abilities and interest. Paradigms of organizing learning, teacher-centric, subject-centric and learning-centric. Theory of instruction, Brunner's. Teaching as a planned activity, elements of planning. Phases of teaching, reactive, interactive and post-active. General and subject-related skills. Competencies required in teaching and attributes of good facilitator. Learning resources, self, home, school, play, community and technology. Classroom management, role of student, teacher, leadership style of teacher, creation of non-threatening learning environment, managing behavioral problems, guidance and counseling, child abuse, punishment and its legal implications, rights of child, time management, distinction between assessment of learning, school-based assessment, continuous and comprehension evaluation (CCE), prospective and practice, understand teaching and learning in the context of NCF National Curriculum Framework 2015 and Right to Education Act 2009. Language 1 Telugu marks 30. ఏ విషయం పఠనావగాహన పద్యం గద్యం తెలంగాణ సాహిత్యం సంస్కృతి ప్రాచీనం ఆధునికం 2015లో రూపొందించిన పాఠ్యపుస్తకాల ఆధారంగా తెలంగాణ కవులు రచయితలు నూతన పాఠ్యపుస్తకాలలోని ఇతర తెలుగు కవులు రచయితలు ప్రక్రియలు శతకాలు కళలు కళాకారులు వేడుకలు క్రీడలు పాటలు పదజాలం సామెతలు జాతీయాలు పొడుపు కథలు తెలంగాణ పదజాలం అర్థాలు నానార్థాలు పర్యాయ పదాలు ప్రకృతి వికృతులు అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ భాషాంశాలు అండ్ బి బోధన పద్ధతులు భాష మాతృభాష బోధన లక్ష్యాలు భాష వివిధ భావనలు స్వభావం తరగతి గది అన్వయం భాష నైపుణ్యాలు సాధించాల్సిన సామర్థ్యాలు తరగతి గది అన్వయం బోధన పద్ధతులు ప్రణాళిక రచన వనరుల వినియోగం సహపాఠ్య కార్యక్రమం బోధన అభ్యాసనల ఉపకరణాలు నిరంతర సమగ్ర మూల్యాంకనం నిర్మాణాత్మక మూల్యాంకనం సంగ్రహాత్మక మూల్యాంకనం అండ్ థర్డ్ సెక్షన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ టు ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ మార్క్స్ 24. ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ టెన్సెస్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ prepositions and articles, degrees of comparison, direct indirect speech, questions and question tags, active and passive voice, phrasal verbs, reading comprehension, composition, vocabulary, meaning of idiomatic expressions, correction of sentences, sequence of sentences in the given paragraph, error identification within a sentence. Pedagogy marks 6 ఉంటాయి. Aspect of English language history, nature, importance, principles of English as a second language, problems of teaching and learning English, objective of teaching English, phonetics, development of language skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, LSRW, and B communication skills, approaches, methods, techniques of teaching English, introduction, definition and types of approaches, methods and techniques of teaching English, remedial teaching, teaching of structure and vocabulary items, teaching of learning materials in English, lesson planning, curriculum and textbooks, evaluation in English language teaching CCE. Fourth section mathematics 30 marks ఉంటాయి. Content marks 24. First topic number system, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, their fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, prime composite numbers, co-primes, twin primes, relationship between LCM and GCD, Indian currency, representation of natural, whole, integers and rational numbers on a number line, terminating and non-terminating decimals, non-terminating but recurring decimals, square, square root, cube roots of numbers, Pythagoras theorem triplets, applications on number system. Second, fractions, concept of fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, decimal fractions, comparison, fundamental operations on fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, representation of a fraction in a pictorial form and on a number line, reciprocal of fractions, uses of fraction in daily life. Third, arithmetic, unitary method, percentages, profits and loss, ratio and proportion, direct proportion, discount, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, time and distance and tax. Fourth, geometry, basic idea of geometry, 2D and 3D shapes, types of angles, constructions, and measurement of angles, types of angles, lines, triangles, types of triangles, quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals, congruence, property of congruences of triangles, SAS, SSS, ASA, RHS, construction of triangles, quadrilaterals, patterns with geometrical shapes representing 3D shapes into 2D shapes, Euler's relation, properties of triangles, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, rectangle, square and kite, concept of circles and symmetry. And fifth topic, measurements, length, weight, capacity, time and their standard units, surface area and volume of cube and cuboids, perimeter and area of triangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium, circumference of circle, area of circle, circular path, other polygons and sector in circle. Data applications, introduction to data, data presentation, preparation of frequency distribution table, bar graph, vector graph, histograph, mean, median and mode of ungrouped data, determination of mean by deviation method, cumulative frequency distribution table, frequency, polygon, frequency curve and cumulative frequency course. 7th, algebra, introduction to algebra, simple equations, solving linear equation in one variable, exponents and powers, algebraic expressions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and factorization of algebraic expressions, algebraic identities. Pedagogy 6 marks ఉంటాయి. Definition and nature of mathematics, aims, values, instructional objectives of teaching mathematics and academic standards, methods of teaching mathematics, instructional material in mathematics, TLM in mathematics, instructional planning, continuous comprehensive evaluation CCE, formative assessment and summative assessment and process and procedures, designing, administration, analysis of scholastic achievement test SAT, diagnostic and remedial teaching, the mathematics teacher, resource utilization, curriculum and textbook. 5th section, environmental studies, content marks 24 marks ఉంటాయి, pedagogy 6 marks ఉంటాయి. My family tree, migration, changing structure of family, nuclear and joint families, festivals. Second, work and play, occupations, child labor, games, local, national and international, martial arts, effects of games on respiration and breathing, fates and circus, plants and animals in our surroundings, plants, animal products, parts of a plant, photosynthesis, parts of flower, pollination, fertilization, fruits, seeds, wild cultivated plants, wild and domestic animals, their food, arrangement of teeth in animals, our food, different types of food, storage of grains and vegetables, storage of food, food animal husbandry, nutrients of food, deficiency diseases, shelter, need different types of houses, electrical appliances, their use, social life in ants and honeybees, animal shelter and variation. Air, importance of air, composition of air, atmosphere pressure, diseases spread through air and their prevention, air pollution causes, its impact and measures to prevent, greenhouse effect, energy, renewable and non-renewable and future energy. Water, importance of water resources, tanks, aquatic flora and fauna, measurement of liquids, water pollution causes, impact, measures to prevent, purification of water, droughts and floods. Our body, health, cleanliness, external, internal parts of our body, bones, muscles, sense organs, digestion, respiration, nervous system, excretory system, circulatory system, first aid, mapping, direction, mandal, district, state, India, history and culture of India, evolution of man, prehistoric period, Indian culture and heritage, civilization, medieval period of culture, ancient monuments, religious movements, Jainism, Buddhism, Bhakti movement, and great personalities, Indian freedom movement, modern India. Our country, India. Location, area, physical features, climate, nature resources, continents and oceans, historical places in India, population. Our state Telangana, culture, state, government, Gram Panchayat, Mandal Parishad, municipality, municipality corporation, local emergency services, our state symbols, livelihood, civilization, impact of rivers, Indian constitution, preamble, major concepts, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, child rights. Security, earthquakes, floods, fire, first aid, 108, 104 vehicles, pedagogy 6 marks ఉంటాయి. Concept and scope of environmental studies, science and social studies, aims, objectives of teaching environmental studies, sciences and social studies, academic standards of teaching EVS, relation to science and social studies, curriculum and its transaction, learning environment and CCE. ఇది total TET paper 1 syllabus. For more Telangana government job notification, please subscribe to Prashant Competitive Hub YouTube channel.